Hey guys, Leanne here on GradysMom. I just got back from Albany. I had to go do several different things down there, and I did go to Trader Joe's, so I thought I would just throw it in this week's grocery haul. I had this cooler with me, so I didn't have a ton of room to get everything I would have gotten because the cooler was in my car for like 4 hours. And I also went to BJ's and got some bagels from Bruegger's. So I got a ton of stuff done today, and I thought I would share my Trader Joe's stuff. So this weekend coming up, I'm filming this on a Friday, is football kickoff, the regular season. So I did get a few things for that. One of them are these chicken wings. These are the hot and spicy chicken wings, fully cooked. You just bake them and crisp them up. So I'm gonna do some wings this weekend. I also got some grilled, fully cooked chicken breasts, strips that I'm going to use for salads next week for meal prep. I needed potatoes, so I went ahead and got some russet potatoes. I got the organic rainbow cauliflower. This is really good to roast up. I got the Trader Joe's Couvert green beans, which I love. These I've never tried before. They are the Peruvian potato chips. So that's how they look, and I'm excited to try those. I also got some sweet potatoes for sides, and also these 3-seed beet crackers. I love beets, so I thought it would be cool to try them in a cracker form. I got these macaroni. They're sort of elbow shaped, but they're bigger, so I'm going to use these in soups and recipes. I got the lower sodium dry roasted salted almonds. I like these for snacking. I grabbed the Trader Joe's curry chicken salad for some sandwiches this weekend or during the week. Some onion salt. I already have some of this, but every time I go to Trader Joe's, I'm going to make it a habit to pick one of these up because I go through it pretty quickly and I love it. I also got these mango JoJo cookies. So it's like a vanilla sandwich cookie with mango cream. So I thought those would be really good. I also got the s'mores bar. It's like a chocolate s'mores bar. Love these. I discovered them a few months ago and they are really tasty. Me and Matt are going to split that. I got these espresso coffee lover coffee beans to throw in a little birthday package that I have to mail out. So I think my friend will like those. I got the Asian sesame or Asian style spicy peanut vinaigrette. This is great for salads and also when I do like Asian noodle dishes. I really like that. I also like this in like an Asian slaw. It's really tasty. It does have some kick to it though. Also for football, I got this Trader Joe's coconut shrimp. This is just like a bake and serve, crisp it up kind of thing. And I'll just make like a little dipping sauce, like a sweet and sour sauce with it. I got some Persian cucumbers to slice up because I'm going to do a veggie platter. For football, we're having some people over, so this is one of the veggies I'll use in the veggie platter along with like carrots and bell pepper, tomatoes, and olives. I got some veggie fried rice to go along with the honey walnut shrimp. I really like this a lot. It's a really yummy dish and really easy, so I'll go ahead and use these two things as like a dinner. I also picked up 3 of their greeting cards. I always think ahead when I'm going to Trader Joe's if I need greeting cards, and I have 2 friends with September birthdays, so I got each of them a card, and I also got a thinking of you like blank note card to send to a friend of mine who could use a pick-me-up. So that's what I got from Trader Joe's. I don't remember the total. I think it was like $60-something ish. And then also on the way down to Albany, I stopped at Bruegger's Bagels, and I got a baker's dozen, 13 bagels. So I got an assortment of everything: onion, plain, sesame, poppy, and then there are a couple that are pumpkin bagels, and they always give you the freezer bag. So I'm just going to portion them out, 6 and 7, and freeze one and put one in the fridge so I can use that. And then I also stopped at BJ's on the way home because I had 3 specific coupons. We need Kleenex, so they had a $4 off coupon. So I got the biggest Kleenex that I could find. They had $3.50 off Persil, so I got the Persil Pro Clean, which is the detergent I use most of the time. And then they also had a good coupon off of the Pike Place, which are some of the K-Cups that I use a majority of the time. I switch on and off with my K-Cups. But this was $5 off, I think, or maybe it was $6 off. But regardless, I needed those 3 things, and I needed to use the coupons up before they expired. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Just stay tuned for the next haul after this one. Okay, so I just got home from Walmart. It is a Sunday morning. You guys aren't going to be seeing this till Friday. And I needed just some stuff for football today. We're having some people over, and then obviously things that we needed. So I like to always have backup coffee creamers. Both of our bottles are getting low right now. So I picked up the Coffee Mate Snickers from Matt. I've been waiting to find the pumpkin spice, but it's always sold out when I go. So he will be perfectly happy with the Snickers one. And then I got my sugar-free Italian sweet cream, which I love. I got the Anzio rolls for sandwiches, and also I'm going to save some for when we do some pulled pork, because I have a batch of pulled pork that I froze half. I made a double batch, and I'm going to pull that out and thaw it out for a dinner next week. I grabbed some Terra brand sweet potato chips. I thought those would be a good snack. Some dish soap. I do have some, as you can see here. This is the Grove Collaborative dish soap, but this is the last of what I have. So I got to back up, and then I'll go ahead and purchase another order. I have to place another order with Grove to get more dish soap, but this is the Cherry Blossom Botanicals Dawn. I got cream of mushroom soup because I needed one of that to restock the pantry. A huge 2-pound bag of baby carrots, which we use for dipping and salads. I also am going to be going through more of these because it's football season, and I always do like a veggie platter with dip. I got regular scoops and jalapeno scoops because football, we're having people over today. Some spring mix. I usually go through one of these a week, or I go through a package of romaine hearts. I got a couple apples because I'm going to use these for meal prep for salads. Grady needed his vitamins. These are the vitamins he's been taking for several years. They are the Smarty Pants Kids Complete Multi and Omega-3 gummies. We needed more dental floss. We actually finally ran out. We had a huge stash of it. So I got one for upstairs bathroom and one for the downstairs bathroom. I got some of these Horizon organic mozzarella string cheeses for Matt. Some Bomb Pops because we're having a bunch of kids over today for football. They're going to obviously come with their parents, so I got these as a treat. Some Danimals Toy Story smoothies. Grady likes to have one of these every morning. They're pretty tiny. Some pickles because we go through a lot of those as well. I got a whole bunch of cat foods here for my cat. And then I love these sneakers. I've talked about them for years. I buy them all the time for my son for play. You cannot beat the price. They are $13.87. They've been the same price for years. He has a size 4 right now in these, but they're starting to get tight in the toe. Very tight actually. So I went ahead and got the next size up. I have literally been buying these since he was like 3 years old, and he is almost 8. They are the best play sneakers. They're easy to put on with the Velcro. He can slide them right on. They have good traction on the bottom. And because they're inexpensive, I don't care if they get dirty. We are outside playing constantly. We go outside every night and play, obviously before the snow comes. So I went ahead and got the next size up, and I can toss the 4s, which are pretty trashed, but I highly recommend these. They come in girl prints, like girl colors, as well as boy. And I will continue to get these until they no longer, you know, he grows out of the sizing. I don't know, I think they only go up to a 6. So this is gonna be the second to last pair he'll have. They are so good. But yeah, this is everything I got from Walmart today, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and share my meal plan for next week. Okay, so meal plan for the upcoming week, which is Sunday the 15th through Saturday the 21st. One night we're gonna have the Trader Joe's honey walnut shrimp along with the veggie fried rice. So that'll be a really nice, easy dinner after work. All I do to really make it kind of homemade tasting is I add a couple scrambled eggs into the veggie rice. I really like egg inside the rice. I did do a double batch of pulled pork last month, and I froze half, so I'm going to thaw half of it out and serve it on the rolls. And I'll either do some kind of tot, like potato tot, or I'll make baked potatoes, depending on if I have time to prep these during the week. I'm going to do turkey meatloaf. I have a couple pounds of ground turkey to use up, so I'm going to thaw one of the pounds, make turkey meatloaf, some kind of veggie, and some kind of potato or rice. I'm not really sure which yet. I'm going to do some chicken parm one night with baked ziti and then a salad. I think I have a video on this. If I do, I'll link it below. The no meat night, we're going to do soup, sandwich, and salad. So I'm going to do tomato soup with grilled cheese and a little tiny side salad. I like doing soup and sandwiches or soup and salad nights once in a while. And then we have sausage, and then I also have peppers and onions to use up. So I'm going to do sausage, peppers, and onions on the grill, and I'll just do a simple salad and some kind of bread with it. And then Saturday the 21st, we fly out in the morning to Kansas City, and we are going out to dinner with friends in Kansas City on Saturday night. I'm super excited to see my friends. I haven't seen them in forever. And then Sunday and Monday we'll be in Kansas City as well. So I don't know yet what next week's meal plan will look like, but I don't even know if I'm going to have a grocery haul yet. It all depends on when I get home Monday afternoon, what I have going on. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great weekend, have a great day, and I will see you all on Monday with a new video.